Hello students, how are you? So, today we will continue our previous chapter number 4, Animals Our Friends. In this video, we will start from the topic wildlife. What is wildlife? Wildlife means all those plants and animals that live and grow in their natural surroundings. Wildlife is found everywhere, in the river, in the mountains, rainforests, deserts, everywhere. Okay? Today, there are very few places left on the earth where wildlife is totally untouched by human beings. Students, we know that before the survival of human beings, or you can say before the arrival of human beings on this earth, wild animals were present on the earth. Okay, they have the same right on the earth to live as we have. But we human beings, what we are doing? We human beings are destroying our natural surroundings by cutting down the forests and polluting our rivers, and this is very bad. We should not do these activities. Why we should not do these activities? Because when we cut down our forests and pollute our rivers, this may destroy our natural surroundings, and due to this, animals are not able to live in this surrounding, and that's why they are becoming extinct. Okay, so first let us discuss what are examples of wild animals like lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, hippopotamus, bear, kangaroo. These all are the examples of the wild animals. Now, what are extinct animals? Extinct animals are those animals which are no longer living. Okay? Animals like dinosaur, dodo, woolly mammoth, ground sloth, golden toad. These are the extinct animals which have already become extinct. Next is what are endangered animals? Endangered animals are those animal species that are in danger of becoming extinct. It means जिनको extinct होने के लिए जो danger में हैं. Okay? Animals like African elephant, bald eagle, golden lion, panda. These are some of the examples of the endangered animals. Now, our next topic is dangers of wildlife trade. Firstly, what is wildlife trade? We know that wildlife is in danger because of hunting and various different activities. There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans, and this is known as the wildlife trade. Let us discuss about some animals that which body part of their used by the human beings for the trading. First is rhinoceros. So, as you see in the picture, rhinoceros are used for their horns. You can see there are two horns present. One is long horn and second is short horn. So, their horns are used by the human beings for the trading. These are grounded into powder form to make medicines. It means from the rhinoceros horns we make the medicines. Next is elephants. Elephants are hunted for their tusk. Okay, the long white tusk which you see in the picture also, this is their tusk, and they are hunted for their tusk. The tusk, or you can say ivory, is used for making jewelry and decoration pieces. Okay, you can see in this picture, this is the picture of the tusk which we human beings use for the jewelry and decoration pieces. Next is goat. Okay, or musk deer. So first is musk deer. Musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi, an ingredient of many perfumes. Okay, so musk deer we use it's because we get kasturi, that is an ingredient of the perfume. Next is goat. Okay, a variety of mountain goat is hunted because its hair yield a very expensive variety of wool which we called pashmina. Okay, in the winter season we all wear woolen clothes. Okay, and there is a shawl called pashmina which we obtained from the its hairs are obtained from the mountain goat. Okay, so from the mountain goat we get pashmina shawl. Okay, next is tiger. As you can see from the picture also, that tigers are endangered throughout their range, are killed for making use of their bones. Okay, the skins of the tiger are used to decorate walls by hunters. Their skin is also used. Tiger claws and teeth are worn as jewelry by many superstitious person who think that these can bring them good luck. Okay, it means every part of the tiger is used for the trading. So but we should not do this, it will destroy or it will extinct them. Okay, next is wildlife protection act. So what does wildlife protection act said? According to this act has been amended in January 2003. Punishment and penalty for offences under the act have been made more stringent. A very important reason for protecting wildlife is that they form an important part of many food chain. So, in the next video, we will study about the food chain and the food web. So, I hope up to here all the concepts are clear to you. Thank you very much.